Catch the beat of quality of service, or QoS, where data traffic is managed like a well-tuned orchestra. Imagine a bustling highway, where different types of data are whizzing by. QoS is the intelligent traffic management system that ensures smooth flow. First, we have weighted fare queuing. Imagine a VIP lane for important data, allowing it to bypass the traffic and reach its destination faster. Then there's weighted random early detection. It's like a traffic cop, preventing congestion by randomly dropping packets from less important data streams when the traffic starts to build up. Next, low latency queuing, the fast-track express lane for real-time, high-priority data, ensuring no delay in delivery. Finally, the classic first in, first out. As simple as waiting in line, the first data in is the first data out. Understanding these techniques is key to efficient data traffic management. For more, visit www.battennetworks.com. Stay curious, stay connected.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.